Okay, so today I'm going to be making the viral TikTok baked feta pasta recipe, but not. I don't have feta, but I have queso fresco, and I think it should work. You guys know I like to use what I have. So I have my pasta boiling, it's almost done, but let me show you how I make it. Okay, so here are the ingredients. To get started, I'm using 10 ounces of queso fresco. That's just the amount that the package is. If you want to use the 8-ounce ratio in the original recipe, go for it. I'm also going to be using 1 dry pint of grape tomatoes. This is around 9 ounces. I have 3 cloves of garlic that I just roughly chopped. I kind of sliced it and chopped it. A half teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, just a pinch, it's really to taste. I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, probably a half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. So I'm going to work with a small rectangular baking dish. An 8x8 or 9x9 square baking dish works for this. So I'm going to add the grape tomatoes, the garlic, add the olive oil, and you'll just want to coat and mix everything. Once that's combined, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. And just give that a good mix. Now place the queso fresco or your cheese in the center. By the way, you could use the feta for this in the original recipe. This is just what I'm working with today. Bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And here's what it looks like so far. It's almost done. In the meantime, I am boiling 8 ounces of penne pasta. I'm going to reserve a little bit of the pasta water just for good measure. I may or may not use it. And once the pasta's done, and once the cheese looks like this, it's baked. Oh, my kitchen smells great. It's time to put this together. Now, I kind of forgot and skipped this, but you want to mix the cheese and tomatoes together, sort of get it creamy before adding the pasta, but I kind of forgot that. So do the best you can, but I'm going to mix this and it should be fine. So once you've mixed everything, you'll want to taste for seasoning or salt. Add some salt or pepper if you want. And then add some fresh basil. Guess what? I didn't have basil. I had baby spinach, so let's pretend it's basil. So I'm going to add it, give it a mix, and it's done. It's ready to serve. And my kitchen smells wonderful. I already know this is going to be good. Such a great combo. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.